When Carl Pei launched the first Nothing phone back in 2021, people got really excited. The phone not only looked really cool, with its transparent back and LED lights, but was also priced quite competitively. Phone 1 and Phone 2 looked much similar. We also had the chance to take the Nothing Phone 2A. Now it's time to talk about the third version, the Nothing Phone 3. It's still early days, so this video is now at the stage of what do we want to see rather than based on concrete facts, but there are some rumors flying around that are worth our attention. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 on board, so it's safe to say that the Nothing Phone 3 won't be joining the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 bunch. It's more likely for us to get the Gen 2 version, which is not that bad. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. We hope Nothing Phone 3 uses triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 4,700 mAh battery. We expect a bump in capacity, aiming at 5,000 mAh for Phone 3. The last generation Nothing supports 45W fast wire charging and 15W wireless. Expected Nothing Phone 3 release date July 2024. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.